The conveyor belt doesn't necessarily always have to lay flat for proper operation or best performance. When you've got to sand or make your own veneers, the use of a carrier board is going to be required. What you'll do to manufacture a carrier board is take a piece of MDF, dimension it down with a machine, label one side right, one side left, and take a 100 grit or a 120 grit paper and glue it to the top of the board. At that point in time, you'll take your veneers, you're going to set it on top, and you're going to be able to sand extremely thin stock. Along with making your own veneers with your machine on the thicker side, you can also set that up for very, very, very thin stock. With the use of a carrier board that's been properly set up, you can literally sand the ink off of paper.